Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2015. Well, let's take a look at oil because oil has fallen sharply today. Second day in a row, it's collapsing. The big question is, are we heading to new lows? A lot of analysts are still saying $30, $20 per barrel oil. I have a different inclination. My inclination is, while we will see a little bit more downside, I believe the downside is limited and the angle is now bullish. All right, and I'm going to explain exactly why I reached that conclusion so you guys can follow acutely. All right, bottom line is this. If you go to the daily chart on the USO, take a look here. All right, zoom in. All right, number one, notice the 3-bar surge. 1, 2, 3. This was a powerful 30% move up in oil. All right, when you have a move like that after so much downside, it really puts a chink in the armor of the bears. There's a lot of bears now that are questioning, will oil come back down? Is it done? That means a lot of shorts are questioning that. All right, and basically what that means is if you were short from, way back here, right? Anywhere back here or over here, you're probably, if you got caught in that push up, looking for an exit on your short to take your profits on a pullback. And anytime you get a 3-bar surge, it also puts in a potential bottom when that's coming off multi-year lows. And that's where we are, folks. We're at multi-year lows on oil. So again, you have the 3-bar surge. You have the heavy volume here, which again, notice the volume. All right, that's volume, that's buying volume and short covering volume. That's a major signal of a potential bottom. You're now getting a retrace, and think of the psychological aspect here. This is what I want to stress the most because it's the most important thing. When you're trading stocks, you're not trading companies, you are trading human emotion. Human emotion is what drives a stock up and down. Fear and greed. Bottom line, it's fear and greed. So when oil makes this move, as I said, it really puts this big kind of what's going on here in the mind of the bears. And you've really hurt the bears here to the point where chances are you have a bottom in oil. And it might be even a multi-month bottom in oil. So what I'm looking to do here, let's get to the bottom, let's get to the chase here, cut to the chase. We're looking to buy oil on this retrace. I'm looking for a little bit more downside. I have a target of basically a $14 pierce on the USO, and then we need to be looking on the long side. So if we get that ideally tomorrow, you have an inside bar retrace back into the 20 moving average right here, basically a 50% retrace off the high to the low move, which is also a Fibonacci. And again, playing the psychological aspect here, we should see oil put in a pullback move and then move dramatically upside. All right, upside, where is it going to head? Easily back to double top, and I actually have projections that you should get back to about $17 on the USO. Wild trading here, guys. This is what we live for. We continue to spit out profits in the research center, in the options alert service, and in the intraday stock chat. Just a matter of what you prefer. Are you an options person? Are you a stock person? Are you a day trading person? All right, if you're an investor or a swing trader, research center. If you're options, it's options alerts. If you're a day trader, intraday stock chat. Okay, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, guys. The track records speak for themselves. They are third-party verified. Not many websites have them third-party verified, but take a look at this, guys. I want to show you this right now as we go into our website. Here's our website, Research Centers for Swing Traders and Investors, and I am logged in currently right now, but let's log out so we get that main page. Go back to Research Center, and if we scroll down, here's your 7-day free trial, and here is your track record button. Click it. Here's every trade we've opened and closed in 2015. There's literally hundreds here. I mean, this is just incredible how many trades. And look at the net gain. And you can see we have losers in there. It's third-party verified. Everything's legit. But right there, 696 net gain percent in 2015. And again, just think you're only putting 10% of your portfolio. Like if you have $100,000, you're just putting a measly $10,000 in each trade. Or if you have a $10,000 portfolio, a measly $1,000 in each trade, you're still up basically 70%. You just divide by 10 of that number, and that's what you're up for the year. And think about hedge funds. They're not even coming close to this. All right, they're not even coming near. S&P is basically negative on the year. Take a look at this, guys. The options alert service. Here's our third-party verified track record, 2,628%. That is unbelievable, guys, right there. And here's every trade on the options front that we've opened and closed for the year. Incredible, guys. Net gain of 2,628% for the year. So bottom line is, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Start listening to the pros. Let us help you make money.